Buddhism, Bhagwan Gautam Buddha was born in the year 564 before Christ era on the day of Purnima of Hindu lunar month of Vaishak at Lumbini. His mother's name was Mayadevi, Queen Mayadevi. His father Shuddhodhan was a king of Shakya kingdom. He belonged to the Shakya clan, hailing from the famous Gautam lineage, starting from the famous Vedic Maharshi Gautam. The prince was named Siddhartha. Kapilvastu was the capital city of Shakya kingdom, where Siddhartha grew up and lived his early life. After his birth, it was prophesied that the child will become a great ascetic and live the life of a monk. To change this destiny, the king Shuddhodhan took care to keep him away from any such sight which can make him detached from the material world. Siddhartha was nurtured to become a great king. Siddhartha was married to a princess, Yashodhara, who was daughter of King Suprabhuta. Prince Siddhartha and Princess Yashodhara were blessed with a son whom Siddhartha called Rahul. Once at the age of 29, the Prince Siddhartha went to see his subject. This was the first ever exposure of the world outside his palace. He saw a sick, an old, and a dead. This made him realize that pain is inevitable in a human life. Then he saw a monk who was in peace. This made him realize that renunciation is the only way to absolute peace. That very night, he left his palace and accepted the life of an ascetic. This act is known as Mahabhinishkramana. After a long search and hard penance, he obtained the ultimate knowledge. He became absolutely awakened, Buddha. The people tree under which Buddha did his penance is called Mahabodhi Vriksha, the great tree of the enlightenment. The place is known as Bodh Gaya, which is in the Indian state of Bihar of present times. After this event, Siddhartha was known as Buddha, the enlightened one. He is also known as Gautam Buddha, as he belonged to the Gautam lineage, and Shakyamuni, as he belonged to the Shakya dynasty. Shakyamuni Buddha or Gautam Buddha spent the rest of his life spreading the divine knowledge of complete enlightenment among the people. He left his mortal body at the age of 80 years, which is called Mahaparinirvana. The philosophical doctrine of Bhagwan Buddha is now known as Buddhism. The fundamentals of Buddhism are: nothing is lost in the universe. The first universal truth is that nothing is lost in the universe. Matter changes into energy. Energy changes into matter. A dead leaf turns into soil. A seed sprouts and becomes a new plant. Old solar systems disintegrate and turn into cosmic rays. We are born of our parents and children are born of us. We consist of that which is around us. We are the same as everything. If we destroy something around us, we destroy ourselves. If we cheat another, we cheat ourselves. Understanding this truth, the Buddha and his disciples never killed any animal. Everything changes. The second universal truth of Buddha is that everything is continuously changing. Life is like a river flowing on and on, ever changing. The law of cause and effect. The third universal truth explained by Buddha is that there are continuous changes due to the law of cause and effect. The law of cause and effect is known as karma. We receive exactly what we have earned through our deeds. It can be good or bad. Our thoughts and actions determine the kind of life we can have. If we do good things, in our future good things will happen to us. If we do bad things, in the future bad things will happen to us. In his scripture known as Dhammapad, Buddha has said, the kind of seed sown will produce that kind of fruit. Those who do good will reap good results. Those who do evil will reap evil results. If you carefully plant a good seed, you will joyfully gather good fruit. Bhagwan Buddha emphasized upon non-violence, ahimsa. In Dhammapad, Buddha said, all fear the rod, life is dear to all. Feeling for others as for yourself, you should neither slay nor cause others to slay. Following, understanding and accepting the teachings of Buddha, Buddhists take the first precept. Panatipata Veramani Sikkhapadam Samadhiyami, which means I undertake to observe the precept of abstaining from destroying living beings. The original scriptures of Buddha are in Pali language. Thus, Bhagwan Buddha was the beacon of knowledge, spreading the light of universal harmony and peace among all.
दूर किया जिसने जन जन के व्याकुल मन का अंधियारा, जिसकी एक किरण को छूकर चमक उठा ये जग सारा। दीप सत्य का सदा जले, दया अहिंसा सदा पले, सुख शांति की छाया में जनगण मन का प्रेम पले। भारत के भगवान बुद्ध का गूंजे घर घर मंत्र अमोल। हे मानव नित मुख से बोल, बुद्धं शरणं गच्छामि। हे मानव नित मुख से बोल, बुद्धं शरणं गच्छामि।
बुद्धं शरणं गच्छामि, धम्मं शरणं गच्छामि, संघं शरणं गच्छामि, बुद्धं शरणं